bad bank stop on this is.
When we're going along, Lulu, if your gloves are still a little bit wet, just hold your hands out and let the wind dry them. Go right, Dad.
Yeah, clear.
There's some miserable fucking bikers on here, isn't there? They don't fucking acknowledge you. Fuck all, do they?
They're just rude.
John!
Yeah?
Don't put yourself down like that!
People do it at home as well, it annoys me. Makes me think I don't want to wave at people anymore.
I'll wave at you, bear!
Next time I see you on the road, I'll give you a good wave.
I'll give you the one finger wobble. I bloody love you, I do, you know. I bloody love you.
Love you too.
I'm sorry shouting at you.
Just kicked you in the bollocks.
Pig, can't hear you, shut up.
There's some good flavours coming out last night in our tent, wasn't there, Bear?
Oh wow. I've seen a couple this morning. Oh, I thought you were on about women then. Oh wow, I swear that thought you did this morning woke me up. I woke up and just, oh my god, what was that smell?
It's still 18 degrees. I'm quite warm, I am. Are you?
I'm a bit nipple, mate.
We're stuck behind a fucking steam train. But if this fucking steam train.
What steam train?
There's a steam train right in the front of this. There's no
Fucking hell, there is.
Yeah.
Just a steam train with a big cabin on the back of it.
Two massive wheels.
How the fuck have you seen that? Because I haven't seen the cunt.
I saw it.
On that street, just.
Oh, I wasn't looking. I was fucking nosing.
You were bird, aren't you?
Now they're all here now.
Yeah. Do you know what, Peggy? It might be a nice... Hey? What the f*** just happened then? Peggy, go the coast road if this clear sky comes across on the way back.
Yeah?
So you get the views, you know what I mean?
Shame it's so pissy and windy, I'll get me drone up.
See, I can't see you, I can't very well.
He says, see if he can get his drone up.
Yeah. No,
Hey, we could go around that area, couldn't you, have a look?
No, just fucking leave it. It was a gambled road, and it fucking gambled straight into the bush.
I can't believe that happened. It was funny though.
Oh yeah, shit happens.
Well, when mine comes, I know I won't be doing that with it then.
Thinking about mine one day, he told me they're only 100 quid.
Hey?
Might buy one if they're only 100.
Well, I got it the same as John I did. And with a discount code, it comes in at 120, just under 120 quid.
Do. I wouldn't have much use for it though, me, not like you guys.
But I've never had one, so it's going to be an experience for me. At that price, I'm buying it for a learning curve.
Yeah.
And then I'll go for something like what Pigs, well not young Pig, but old Pig's got. I want it, Bear.
Huh?
I want to have a good look at that one, what was your dad's.
Yeah, I want him to send me the link, because I want to order one.
Yeah, that's me. Oh, hello! I see the sea, baby! There's the pig, that's where we're going!
Is that England over there?
No, not good. Is that the one we fished off before? It is, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is,
Not the pier we went down last time, is it?
Hey?
Hello, beautiful, baby! The sea doesn't do that, hey, does it?
Is it that one we fished off?
The one we fished up before, it was...
No, No, I don't think it is that one. No.
Hang on, boy, let Pig speak.
Sorry.
No, that's not the same one as we fished last time.
No, yeah, further on, yeah. As in, just down a bit. Couple of spots here. Don't try to get a couple of bites in these spots here. Yeah, hang on. Someone, wait.
Well, there's a slot here.
Yeah, hang on, there's some here and all.
Right. So where are you going then? Down there?
There's one here. Yeah, there's two down here. Two down here. Three down here.
Let's get in my car. Riding on Dayton, spoke somewhere.
I'm going to jack mine up.
Yeah, hang on then, I'll check mine back.
Hey?
Right, Lulu.
Yeah.
Well, that one's disabled.
Get 2 in. 4 in here. Got enough room to go back, Anna? Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
Hey, Cardo. Radio off.
Oh, that's enough room.